Yes, good morning students. Today again we will do the composition my pet. And today we will take the different animal as my pet. Okay, as yesterday we had done my pet dog. Okay, my pet dog में आपको hints दिए गए थे. According to those hints we developed the composition. हमने according to hints हमने composition लिखी उनकी 10 लाइन. Compose का मतलब होता है composition मतलब compose करना, बनाना. Compose 10 line, composition of 10 lines. Okay, so now today again we will be making the composition on the cat. ठीक है, कल हमने जो chat box में जो आपको practice करवाई थी that was for a rabbit. Okay, so I want you people according to this these hints, I want you people to, yes please, I want you people to write the lines for cat. So I am giving you the heading cat and you will write the line on my pet cat. So I request all of you to write in chat box according to this these hints. Okay, so please start writing. Introduction: I have a pet cat. Okay, I have a pet cat. Very nice. Smira has started. Yes, I have a pet cat. This next line introduction में मैंने आपको बोला था कि you will introduce your pet. ठीक है, जब आप बताओगे कि ओके मेरे पास पेट है, you will say okay I have pet, I have a pet. Okay, so it is a cat. I have a pet cat. Okay, so I have जब आता है तो I have a pet cat. So if you have a cat, तो obviously that will be pet. ठीक है, so वो pet ही होगी. I have a pet cat. ठीक है, so I have a pet. It is a cat. Okay, yes, very nice. फिर आप उसका नेम के बारे में only for cat, write only for cat. What name you suggest for cat? You will write here. Yes, right. What name? Yes, Susie. Okay, its name is Susie. Okay, Ridhima Sharma name is Millie. Okay, okay. बेटा कलर के बारे में बाद में please tell about its name first. Kitty. Okay, its name is Kitty. Okay, Kitty है ये. बेटा please write about name Kitty. Yes, Kitty, Millie. Okay, it is okay. Yes, Adya. Fluffy. Okay, चलिए फिर इसके कलर के बारे में let us talk about its color. So कलर के बारे में बताइए. It is of yellow color. Okay, yellow color. Okay, okay. It is white in color. Okay, it is of white color. The white in color. Both are right. It is of white color. Okay, your cat is okay. Beta, please write about its color now. It is of white color. It is of white color. Okay, very nice. Okay, then we will talk about its size. What physical appearance and size. It is small in size. Okay, it is brown. Okay, it is then physical. Please write some lines about its physical appearance. Physical appearance के बारे में आप क्या line लिखोगे? It has fur on its skin. Very nice. Better write about physical appearance. Bella. Very nice. Its name is Bella. Okay, yes. Yes. Better please write for physical appearance. So what lines you will suggest for physical appearance? You will write for physical appearance. What lines? Okay, it is begin. Okay, physical appearance. It has fur on its skin. Okay, it has tiny nose. Very nice. Tiny nose. Tiny nose. It has shining eyes. What do you say? Shining eyes. इसके बड़ी eyes बड़ी shining होती है. She is very cute, तो lovable, playful. Okay, we will write. Okay, it has one tail. You can say, ठीक है? It has fur on its skin. So already some student has written. Okay, it is of brown color. Very nice. It loves to eat fish and drink milk. Very nice. Aryan Sidhu, very nice. ठीक है, चलिए फूड के बारे में अब लिखते हैं. फूड के बारे में बताइए. शी प्लेज आएगा बच्चे, प्ले नहीं आएगा. शी प्लेज विद मी. चलिए राइट अबाउट फूड. प्लीज राइट अबाउट फूड नाउ. व्हाट टाइप ऑफ फूड? यस, इट लाइक्स टू ड्रिंक मिल्क. इट लाइक्स टू ईट फिश. ओके, फिश जो है वो कैट को बहुत ही अच्छी लगती है. ओके, देन यू विल टेल अबाउट इट्स नेचर. इसकी नेचर के बारे में बताओगे. Yes, please tell about its nature. नेचर, यू विल टेल अबाउट इट्स नेचर। क्या? इट्स वेरी शाय, जैसे रैबिट शाय था, ठीक है, डॉग भी फेथफुल था। अब इसके बारे में बताओगे, इट्स वेरी प्लेफुल। कैट को बहुत मतलब कि बहुत ही अच्छी लगती है। मस्ट हैव सीन सम वीडियो की कैट्स की वीडियो आप देखो, बड़ी ही प्यारी लगती हैं। ओके, एंड यस इट प्लेज विद अ रैट टॉय। ओके, रैट जो टॉय है उसके साथ खेलती है, वूल के साथ भी बहुत खेलती हैं, ठीक है। यस इट इज वेरी स्मार्ट। ओके ओके, व्हेन डू यू प्ले विद इट? यस, इसकी नेचर क्या है, ये किसके साथ खेलती है? दिस इज ऑल्सो अ नेचर, ठीक है, दिस इज ऑल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ नेचर, ठीक है। एज सम स्टूडेंट हैज रिटन इट, इट प्ले लाइक्स टू प्ले विद टॉय रैट, वेरी नाइस। she is 1 year, she is 1 years old, 1 year old बोल ना बच्चे, she is 1 year नहीं ना कह सकते हम, ठीक है। so it plays with a rat and ball, very nice. it chases rats, ये भी ऐसे बोल सकते हो, रैट्स को चेज करती है, ये भी इसके नेचर के बारे में बोल सकते हो, ठीक है। सो इट ऑलवेज रन आफ्टर रैट्स, ठीक है, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो आप इसमें। she plays with me and my friends, वो she plays with me, very nice, she plays with me and my friend, it's very clever, yes, very nice, okay, that's good, okay, चलिए, I take good care of it, very nice, okay, चलिए students, now I have shown you the hints and why very good response you have given me. Okay, very smartly, very intelligently you have dwelt the composition on my cat. Now I am going to show you my composition which I have written. Okay, so students, okay, so as you can see it's visible. So concept related to my pet, I have written some lines, 10 lines on my pet cat. Okay, so I have a pet, it is a cat, ye cat hai, its name is Kitty. So what is the name of that this cat? Its name is Kitty. Okay, Kitty hai iska name, it is of black color, ठीक है। जो मेरी कैट है उसका क्या है, कलर क्या है, ब्लैक है, ठीक है। इट हैज फर ऑन इट्स स्किन, इसकी स्किन पे क्या है, फर है, ओके। सो एज यू सम स्टूडेंट्स हैव रिटन इन देयर composition when they were developing composition, it has fur on its skin, very nice. Then it loves to eat fish and drink milk. कैट का फेवरेट फूड क्या होता है, एज आई हैव टोल्ड यू यस्टरडे आल्सो, ठीक है, हर एनिमल का अपना फेवरेट फूड होता है, ऑल दो कि सब कुछ अच्छा लगता है इनको, दे लाइक एवरीथिंग, but even then every animal has some favorite food, okay. As I had told you that dog's favorite food is it likes to eat bone, and about rabbit it likes to eat carrot, and same way a cat likes to eat it loves to eat fish and drink milk. So it is very playful, really cats are very playful, okay, बहुत ही खेलती रहती हैं सारा दिन, ठीक है। they love to play with children or with toys, they love to play, okay. And it कभी भी cat आप सिंपल बैठी होगी डॉग की तरह नहीं दिखेगी, okay. It plays with wool, so you can also you can make it a different line, okay. It plays, as I have written, it plays with wool, you can write something different, it plays with stick, it plays with as a student has written toy rat, ball, whatever your with whatever thing your cat plays, okay, you can write that, okay. Now next is, just a moment, next जो I have written, yes, so next line is it plays with wool. Next I have written I play with it in the evening after finishing my homework. Now when do you play with your cat, you will write here, okay. I play with it in the evening after finishing my homework, मैं अपना homework finish करके, ठीक है, उसके साथ खेलती हूँ, ठीक है। So at what time you play with your cat, okay, or at what time if you are taking it out, then you can write that also if you are taking, otherwise I don't think so, okay. So it is very playful, yes, it is very clever, okay. Okay, Vani Vinayak, I don't know about clever. Okay, very clever, very very active, smart. You can say it is very clever. It's not the appropriate word for animals. Okay, okay. I take good care of it, and if you take some special care of it, some special up care करते हो, तो then you can write. Okay, so student, this is the uh, composition of my pet. ओके, ये जो माई पेट है, ठीक है, कैट, ये उसकी कॉम्पोजिशन है. ओके, नाउ यस, नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डू सम डिक्टेशन वर्ड्स. ओके, हम कुछ डिक्टेशन वर्ड्स करेंगे. आई प्ले विद इट इन द इवनिंग आफ्टर फिनिशिंग माय होमवर्क. वेरी नाइस. सो स्टूडेंट, दिस इज द कॉम्पोजिशन ऑन माय पेट कैट. ओके, होप आपको बाकी कॉम्पोजिशन भी हैं वो अच्छे से लिखनी आ जाएंगी. ओके, आई वांट टू सी योर थम्स इफ यू नो कि नाउ यू हैव कम टू नो. ठीक है, हमें अच्छे से लिखनी आ गई हैं. सो प्लीज शो मी योर थम्स इफ यू हैव कम टू नो. ओके, नाउ वी कैन राइट. कोई भी पेट एनिमल हो, हम अच्छे से लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है, वेरी नाइस. That's very good. That's very good. Okay, students. Okay. So now I am going to give you some dictation sentences. Okay. So I request all of you to please open your notebooks, rough notebooks, or ठीक है, and pencils. Okay, students. So you can start. Hope all must be having notebooks and pencils with them. So at number 1 in dictation sentences, at number 1 you will write, God will fulfill my wish. Hope you everyone have written. If you have written the first sentence, you can raise your thumb. God will fulfill my wish. 5 sentences in total you will write. Okay, God will fulfill my wish. Okay, hope this is God will fulfill my wish. Okay, next आपका है, yes, I bought a picture from the market. I bought a picture from the market. I bought a picture from the market. Be fast बच्चे. I bought a picture from the market. बेटा आपका कैमरा जब अगर ऑन होता तो ज्यादा अच्छा होता, because I can see whether you are doing your work honestly or not. Yes. Next is the farmers worked in the fields. The farmers worked in the field. The farmers worked in the field. Farmers worked in the field. Okay. Next आपका sentence है, the captain of the team was very active. The captain of the team was very active. Fourth है ये, the captain of the team was very active. Yes. The captain of the team was very active. Yes. Next, number 5. Number 5 is, yes, the wind was blowing hard. The wind was blowing hard. The wind was blowing hard. So 5 sentences you have written. First is, God will fulfill my wish. Second is, I bought a picture from the market. Third is, the farmers work in the fields. Okay. Fourth is, the captain of the team was very active. 5 is, the wind was blowing hard. So students, these 5 sentences are there. Okay. Now, after this class, I will be sending the answer key of these dictation sentences and you will check your dictation sentences. Hope you all have done. Okay. आप सबने डिक्टेशन सब देख कितने 5 के 5 किसके पूरे के पूरे हो गए हैं? Do like this first. जिसके पूरे पूरे 5 sentences हो गए. Show me your notebooks like this. अपने notebooks यहाँ पे रखिए. Very nice, Myra. Very nice. अपने notebooks सामने. Yes, please keep your notebooks in front of your camera. Very nice, Manya, Aryan, Bhavesh, Pallavi. Myra ने पहले बता दिया है. Raj Sarabjit. Yes. Yes. Very nice. Okay, Harshdeep. Yes. Jasmeet. थोड़ा close करिए Jasmeet. So that I can see. Yes. Tanaya. आपकी notebook कहाँ है? हार्दिक माल notebook. Some cameras are still off. Yes. Very nice. Okay, बेटा कुछ बच्चे हैं वो बहुत ही मतलब कि ऑनेस्टली उन्होंने लिखा है और भी दिखा भी रहे हैं. Some students they have not shown me. इसका मतलब कि they are not honest. उन्होंने किया नहीं काम. इनको लगता था कि चलो ग्रुप में तो आ ही जाएगा तो हो ही जाएगी हमारी डिक्टेशन. But this is very bad बच्चे. That's why I want to watch your notebooks on the in front of camera. Okay, Kushal has not done. Kushal has not done. Kanak Kashyap has done. Very nice. Manmeet, what's your problem, bache? You are not showing me your notebook. It means you have not done. Okay, okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, that's good. That's very good. So students, we will be sending these dictation sentences in the group. Okay. Hope you all have learned how to develop the composition for my pet. Now you will be in the exams or in the test you will be getting a different animal aspect on which you will write the composition. Okay, that's all for today's teaching. Thank you.